Welcome, food explorers. Ooh, something smells yummy. What happens when we roast food? Look closely. What do you notice? What will happen when they get warm? Inside the oven, it gets hot, super hot. Watch for changes. Whoa, did you see that? Edges went golden and toasty. Roasting warms food, surfaces brown. That browning is called the Maillard reaction. You just earned your roasty toasty badge. Next time something's roasting, sniff the air. Can you guess what it is? Great discovery today. Until next time, keep asking big questions about little bites.